Hello everyone, AR Productions here, and welcome to the first episode of the restoration of this Thames-Clyde Express headboard. Today we'll be removing the loose material and giving the headboard a jolly good clean. So let's get started. So, thankfully there wasn't too much there. I've just gotten rid of the main loose bits so that they don't get damaged further. I've kept them separately because of course I need to remeasure some more material to put on top. It does however sadly seem that I may need to replace not just one but two layers, because as you can see here, that's starting to come off. However, if it seems that that can just be glued back on, then we'll see about that. So yeah, the main loose material is off. I'm just going to put this upside down and we'll clean the back. As you can see, the surface definitely needs a very good clean. It looks as if there's some dust, potentially some dry mould, and ideally I'd like to get that plate off, give it a good clean and put it back on. So let's get cleaning.